The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting framework. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. It's for anyone who wants an easy, practical plan. Needs are essentials: housing, utilities, groceries, insurance, healthcare, and minimum debt payments. These should take about 50% of your after-tax income. Wants are discretionary: dining out, streaming, hobbies, nicer clothes, and travel. Aim to keep these around 30% so you still enjoy life without overspending. The final 20% goes to savings and debt reduction, emergency fund, retirement contributions, and paying down high-interest debt. First, find your after-tax income. This is what lands in your bank after taxes. Use that number to set your 50-30-20 targets. List monthly expenses and assign each to needs, wants, or savings. Tally totals and compare to your after-tax income to see if you meet the percentages. If your income varies, calculate an average over several months or use your lowest recent month as a conservative baseline, then apply the 50-30-20 targets. Living in an expensive area? You might shift toward 55-25-20 or find ways to lower needs, like downsizing while keeping the rule's spirit. Family changes mean priorities shift: childcare, bigger groceries, or education. Rebalance categories but keep the savings goal in sight. Common mistakes: counting pre-tax income, ignoring irregular expenses, or letting wants creep into needs. Small slips add up quickly. Meet Alex, a 28-year-old with steady pay who wants to save more but feels overspent each month. We'll walk through Alex's budget. Right now, Alex's money is scattered: frequent takeout, impulse purchases, and no clear savings plan. It feels chaotic. Alex's wants take up too much space, needs are manageable, and savings are almost empty. Classic imbalance that the 50-30-20 rule fixes. Using Alex's after-tax income, we allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Let's reassign actual expenses into those buckets. Alex negotiates a cheaper insurance plan and shops smarter for groceries to keep needs within 50% without sacrificing essentials. Wants don't mean no fun. Alex swaps a pricey night out for a curated low-cost evening, keeping enjoyment while saving money. Alex funnels 20% into an emergency fund and extra payments on a high-interest card. Prioritizing small wins speeds progress. After 1 month, Alex feels less stressed, has a small emergency buffer, and sees where money goes. The structure brings immediate clarity. Budgeting with a clear rule reduces decision fatigue, lowers money stress, and builds confidence. Small, predictable choices add up. If an unexpected expense hits, tap your emergency fund first. If you exhaust it, rebalance categories temporarily, prioritize rebuilding the fund. People often drift back to old habits, forget to recalculate after income changes, or mix wants into needs. Regular check-ins prevent drift. The 50-30-20 rule is flexible. Low-income households may need a different split temporarily, while higher earners might scale savings faster. As income rises, increase savings and investments first. The rule scales by keeping proportions while accelerating wealth building. Consistency compounds. Emergency funds, retirement accounts, and debt reduction lead to financial freedom and less stress over years. Before, spending was inconsistent and stressful. After applying 50-30-20, Alex has clarity, savings, and controlled spending. The transformation is real. Start today. Calculate your after-tax income, assign percentages, and make one small change. Subscribe for more simple finance tips and try the 50-30-20 rule this month.